Has it ever happened to you while using VS Code? Your virtual environment is activated, your packages are clearly installed, and still your code shows module not found. It feels like everything is set up correctly and yet something just doesn't work. This is one of the most common issues people face while working with Python in VS Code, and the tricky part is nothing looks obviously wrong. Most of the time, the problem is actually very simple. Your terminal and VS Code are not using the same Python. Let's break it down. When you open a terminal and activate your virtual environment, that terminal starts using the Python inside that environment. So when you install packages there, they go into that environment. But VS Code itself, the editor, does not automatically use that same Python. It has its own selected interpreter. So what can happen is this: your terminal is using your virtual environment, but VS Code is running your code using a completely different Python. So from your terminal's point of view, the package is installed, but from VS Code's point of view, that package does not exist. And that's exactly why you see module not found error. Now checking this is very straightforward. Look at the bottom right corner of VS Code. You will see the currently selected Python interpreter. This path tells you exactly which Python is used by VS Code to run your code. If this path is not pointing to your virtual environment, then that's the issue. To fix it, click on this interpreter. VS Code will show you a list of available Python environments. From there, select the one that belongs to your project. It usually looks something like .venv /scripts /python.exe. Once you select it, VS Code and your terminal are now aligned. Both are using the same Python. And in most cases, your error will disappear immediately. Now, there is one more situation that can still cause confusion. Sometimes, even after selecting the correct interpreter, your terminal is still using a different Python environment. This happens because the terminal session does not automatically refresh. So, the fix is simple. Close the terminal, open a new one, and activate your environment again. That ensures both sides are in sync. Now, here's a clean way to think about it. VS Code has two separate layers. One is the editor, which uses the selected interpreter to run your code. The other one is the terminal, which uses whatever environment you activate. If these two are not pointing to the same Python, you will keep seeing confusing issues like module not found, even when everything looks correct. Once they are aligned, things behave exactly the way you expect. And that's really the key takeaway. When working in VS Code, don't just check if your environment is activated. Also check which interpreter your editor is using. And then you can resolve the errors on your own.